Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making hedgehog pillows. And we're painting their cute little faces with DecoArt Stylin, the new fabric and leather paint from DecoArt. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some hedgehog pillows. DecoArt Stylin comes in a ton of different colors, so pick your favorites and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.